All right, people may be wondering what I've been up to, but you probably haven't, but I'm going to tell you anyway. I've been making these little figures. They're kind of inspired by Bungle Jungle. So I made this little guy here out of Sculpey clay, and look at that, he lights all up. That's amazing, isn't it? But guess what? There's more. See this right here in his little nether regions? If you pull that out, you got a zip drive. Yeah, this little buddy. Look at him go. That's my little buddy. My desktop friend. All right. He's got another mode right there. There's a third mode. There he is.